Peak Silicone Platinum Premium Beam Wiper Blades are a high-end addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with side-lock wiper arms. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, rotate the back of the adapter upward. Next, insert the wiper arm into the hole on the plastic adapter. Then, push the adapter down until it locks on the inserted wiper arm pin. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and then you're ready for the fun part, activating the blade's water repellency. To do that, simply spray washer fluid onto your windshield and allow the blades to clear it. This will make sure your windshield is thoroughly coated. Now you're set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Silicone Platinum Wiper Blades with infused water repellent technology.